Line of sight. The line of sight or line of vision to the object is the line from our eyes to the object we are looking at. Example: a person is looking up towards an object O, say an aeroplane. Here, the straight line from the eyes to the aeroplane is the line of sight. Angle of elevation. If the object is above the horizontal line through the eye, that is, if it is at a higher level than our eyes, we have to raise our head to view the object. In this process, our eyes move through an angle. This angle is called the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Let P be the position of an object above the horizontal line OX, where O is the position of the eye of an observer looking upward at the object. Then, angle XOP is called the angle of elevation. Example: inclination of a ladder leaning against a wall is 30 degrees and the foot of the ladder is 5 meters away from the wall. Find the length of the ladder. Solution: let the ladder of length L meter be OP resting against the wall PQ. Angle POQ is equal to 30 degrees and OQ is equal to 5 meter. In right angle triangle OQP, cos 30 degree is equal to OQ upon OP, implies that under root 3 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon L, implies that under root 3 L is equal to 5 into 2, implies that under root 3 L is equal to 10, implies that L is equal to 10 upon under root 3 meter is equal to 10 into under root 3 upon 3 meter is equal to 5.77 meter. Hence, the length of the ladder is equal to 5.77 meter. Example: find the angle of elevation of the top of a tower of height 100 into under root 3 meter from a point at a distance of 100 meter from the foot of the tower of an horizontal plane. Solution: let the height of the tower BC be 100 into under root 3 meter and AB equal to 100 meter. In right angled triangle ABC, tan theta equal to BC upon AB implies that tan theta equal to 100 into under root 3 upon 100 implies that tan theta equal to under root 3 implies that theta equal to 60 degree. Hence, angle of elevation equal to 60 degree. Example: a tree is 30 meter high. It is broken somewhere in the middle. The broken part makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Find at what height the tree was broken. Solution: let PQ be the tree. PQ equal to 30 meter. It is broken at R and the broken part touches the ground at S, so that RQ equal to RS and also angle RSP equal to 30 degree. Let RP equal to X. Therefore, RS equal to QR equal to 30 minus X. In right triangle RSP, we have RP upon RS equal to sin 30 degree implies that X upon 30 minus X equal to 1 upon 2 implies that 2x equal to 30 minus x implies that 3x equal to 30. Therefore, x equal to 10 meter. Angle of depression. When a man sees an object which is below the horizontal line through his eyes move downwards through the horizontal line. The angle so formed is called the angle of depression. Let P be the position of an object below the horizontal line OX, where O is the position of the eye of an observer looking downwards at the object. Then angle XOP is called the angle of depression. Example: a player sitting on the top of a building of height 40 meter observes the angle of depression of a ball lying on the ground as 60 degree. Find the distance between the foot of the building and the ball. Solution: let OQ be the tower and P be the position of the ball lying on the ground. Then OQ is equal to 40 meter and angle POX is equal to 60 degree is equal to angle OPQ. Alternate angles. Let PQ is equal to X meters. Therefore, in right angled triangle PQO, tan 60 degree is equal to OQ upon PQ, implies that under root 3 is equal to 40 upon X, implies that under root 3X is equal to 40, implies that X is equal to 40 upon under root 3 is equal to 40 into under root 3 upon 3 is equal to 40 upon 3 into 1.732 is equal to 23.09 meter. Example: a man on a cliff observes a boat at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the shore to the point immediately beneath the observer with a uniform speed. 6 minutes later, the angle of depression of the boat is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the boat to reach the shore. Let a man on the cliff MC be at M. The angle of depression of boat at A observed by the man at M is 30 degree. After 6 minutes, the angle of depression of the boat at B is 60 degree. Let height of the cliff equal to H meter. The distance between the foot of the cliff C and B equal to X meter. Now in triangle AMC, tan 30 degree equal to MC upon AC, implies that 1 upon under root 3 equal to H upon AC, implies that H equal to AC upon under root 3. Equation 1. In triangle BMC, tan 60 degree equal to MC upon BC, implies that under root 3 equal to H upon BC, implies that H equal to under root 3 BC. Equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, we get AC upon under root 3 equal to under root 3 BC, implies that 3 BC equal to AC, implies that 3 BC equal to AB plus BC, implies that 2 BC equal to AB. Let the time taken by the boat from B to C equal to T minutes. Speed of boat from B to C equal to distance upon time equal to BC upon T. Equation 3. Similarly, speed of the boat from A to B equal to AB upon 6. Equation 4. From equation 3 and equation 4, BC upon T equal to AB upon 6. Since speed is uniform, implies that BC upon T equal to 2 BC upon 6, implies that 1 upon T equal to 1 upon 3, implies that T equal to 3 minutes. Time taken by boat to reach the shore equal to 6 plus 3 equal to 9 minutes. Example: a man on the deck of a ship is 12 meters above water level. He observes that the angle of elevation of the top of a cliff is 45 degree and the angle of depression of the base is 30 degree. Calculate the distance of the cliff from the ship and the height of the cliff. Solution. Let the cliff be AB and point of observation is M and deck of ship BD is 12 meter. Let AD equal to X, MD equal to Y. In right angled triangle MDA, X upon Y equal to tan 45 degree implies that X equal to Y. Since tan 45 degree equal to 1. In right angled triangle BDM, tan angle BMD equal to BD upon MD implies that tan 30 degree equal to 12 upon Y implies that 12 upon Y equal to 1 upon under root 3 implies that Y equal to 12 into under root 3 implies that Y equal to 12 into 1.732 implies that Y equal to 20.784 meter. Therefore, distance of the cliff from the ship equal to 20.784 meter and height of the cliff equal to 20.784 plus 12 equal to 32.784 meter.